Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting in Settings because this is where iPhone controls voice alerts. Once in Notifications, tap Announce Notifications. That's the single place Apple uses to speak alerts aloud. Make sure you're not in Control Center or another app. You need the Notifications pane. You'll see a master switch and a list of apps. Now, pause here and focus on the main toggle at the top. Use it to stop the system from announcing notifications globally. Once done with the master switch, make sure to review the app list below. You can block specific apps from speaking without killing every alert. Tap any app entry and switch off Announce for that app. Also, make sure to check the headphone and CarPlay options. These can re-enable announcements only when connected. If you want silence only in certain contexts, leave Master off and selectively enable apps. For complete silence, keep the master switch off, and you finish by testing. Send a message or use another app to trigger a notification and confirm nothing is spoken. If you still hear voice alerts, check accessibility, turn off voiceover and spoken content. Also review Siri settings that can influence announcements. Once you change those, restart your iPhone and reconnect any headphones or CarPlay. If problems persist, toggle the Announce Notifications switch off, wait 10 seconds, then back on and off again. That reset often clears stubborn behaviors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.